Hello students, this is Shachi. Welcome to my channel Crack Chemistry. Today's topic, Chemical Reactions and Equations Part 2, is for class 10th, in which we will discuss about skeletal equations and chemical equations. In part 1 of this chapter, we have learned physical and chemical changes, their characteristics, and observations which take place during a chemical reaction with the help of few activities. For understanding these topics, please refer part 1 of this chapter. Students, before starting, I want to remind you to subscribe my channel for getting information about further important uploads. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. So now let's see what we are going to learn today. Today we will learn about chemical equations. Students, look at the diagram. This diagram represents burning of magnesium ribbon in air. This reaction we have done in part 1 of this chapter. The link of that video will be given in the description box. We know that when a magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen, it gets converted to magnesium oxide. If you want to explain this process to someone else, you will find that this process is a very long process. So this process can be written in a shorter form. The simplest way to do this is to write in the form of word equation. You can write as magnesium plus oxygen gives it magnesium oxide. The substances that undergo chemical change in the reaction are magnesium and oxygen, and they are called as reactants. And the new substance which is formed during the course of a reaction is magnesium oxide, which is called as a product. This was the word equation which shows the change of reactants to products through an arrow placed between them. The reactants are written on the left hand side with a plus sign between them. Similarly, the products are written on the right hand side with a plus sign between them. And the arrowhead points towards the products and shows the direction of the reaction. Direction of the reaction means forward reaction. Now we will see how to write a chemical equation. Just now we have seen about word equation. Word equation can be made more simple and useful if we use chemical formula instead of words. So a chemical equation represents a chemical reaction. So the word equation we have discussed just now, we will write in the form of a chemical equation. So we will write the formula of magnesium, oxygen and magnesium oxide. You know that symbol of magnesium is Mg and the symbol of oxygen is O, but molecular oxygen is taking part in this reaction, so we will write O2. Then arrow. The head of the arrow will be towards the product. Magnesium and oxygen react together and they form magnesium oxide. The formula of magnesium oxide is MgO. Now students, if we count number of atoms in reactant and product side, you can see that one atom of magnesium is present in the reactant side. Similarly, one atom of magnesium is present in the product side. So, number of magnesium in reactant and product side are same. But if you consider oxygen, you will find two atoms of oxygen are there in the reactant side, but in the product side you have only one oxygen atom. It means this reaction is not a balanced reaction. Why this reaction is unbalanced? This reaction is unbalanced because the number of atoms of each element in reactant and product side are not same. So if the number of atoms of each element in reactant and product side are not same, the mass will not be same in both sides of the equation, and a chemical reaction must be balanced according to law of conservation of mass. So such an unbalanced chemical equation is called as a skeletal chemical equation. So the equation which I have discussed just now with you, Mg plus O2 is equal to MgO, is a skeletal chemical equation for the burning of magnesium in air. Students, I hope each and every point is clear to you. Please post your doubts in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to watch next part of this chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.